In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a process swim lane chart in Lucidchart. Now, in order to do this, first, head over to lucidchart.com, head over and click onto the sign up for free right here in order to sign up for an account, or you can also sign up using Google, Microsoft, or Slack. In my case, I already have an account, and if you just want to log in like I do, just head over and click onto the sign up option, and you should be able to see in here this window. On this window, just head over and click onto this login and enter your email or username that you use and log in with the password. Now, on my case, this is my actual dashboard. In order to create a drawing process or a swim lane chart, you can use the pre-built templates for this. You can click on this More Templates option, and then it should be able to open the templates that you currently have. You can click onto the search bar and search in here for swim lane. So from in there, you can just search for Swimlane and you can see in here some options like this flow chart with swim lanes, as well as process flow charts for loom, and also some other options right here. For example, let's just choose this flow chart with swim lane. Now click onto this use, and then this should be able to open in here that particular chart that we have created or that we have chosen. So you can see them all right here. You can just create the swim lanes and you can see them. You can also zoom in order to see those as well right there. And if you want to add some more diagrams and some more things, you can head over and then just using here this options like flowcharts, containers, diagrams, and likes that you can see in here as well. We also have in here this flowchart shape bank. Like for example, we have in here this and this and this. Just head over and input right here some details. Like for example, this one, you can copy this by right clicking and duplicating, and you can move it right here into the second part. You can also just duplicate this until you actually create in here another swim lane that we have onto this part. But essentially, this is what it should look like. So that's how you draw a process swim lane chart in Lucidchart. I hope this video helped you out.